Hi! In front of me is an Android 13 and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. First of all, access Play Store and install your new food app. I will go with Opera mini browser. When it's ready, click on Home button and access device's settings. Now click on Apps section, scroll down and choose the food apps. Finally, click on one of those options. For example, I want to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app, set up Opera mini by tapping on it and simply go back. As you can see, after that, my food app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!